Okay guys, so I'm back with my final and last Divas wig review. I definitely saved the best for last. I am super duper excited about this hair. Like, this hair definitely is way more than what I expected it to be. This wig is by Zury Sis Sister Wig Beyond Your Imagination. Yes, it's a super long name, but I'm sure it just goes by Zury or Sis. And this is the Ombre RT Sunset Siri wig. And this wig is so bomb. Like, oh my god. It comes with a 4x4 free parting, right? And soft Swiss lace. It's hand tied. It's Remy fiber. You can heat it up to 400 degrees. And look at this parting. Like, can you guys see this? Okay, so now I just was like, I saw it was a silk base. I'm like, okay, whatever. You know, I don't really like silk base when they come with lace closures. I parted this hair and I'm like, what? Like, I don't even need to add like powder to this because it just looks so real. I can add powder to it if I wanted to make it look more like my color. But this is really the type of wig where you could just get up, you could just wear it out the pack. Like, straight up, you could wear it out the pack. I did flatten this hair with a curling wand. I just flattened it on this side. My curling wand was at 340 degrees. And like I said, you could part this hair anywhere. It has 4x4, so here's the hair. And it has baby hairs. I added some baby hairs right here just to kind of show you guys. But this color is bomb. Like, this hair is bomb. It comes in many different colors. It comes in 1B, 2-4, which is all the browns. It comes in a blackish wine color 99J, 1B30, S430, and then it comes in like it comes in so many colors. Rose gold. I can't even tell you the colors, but it comes in like regular colors. So, and it comes in like these crazy orange, blues, pinks. Like, it comes in those colors. So you could wear this hair as a regular hair, and this could be like you're going out, I'm about to shit on everybody type of wig. So I love this wig's versatility in terms of parting and in terms of color. The hair feels good. You know, I've been talking about in my last videos how, oh, the hair doesn't come together. The hair doesn't come together. You know, it doesn't really look natural. This hair comes together and it's staying together. You see, like, I brush it. You see, I brush it, right? Like, if you guys seen how I showed you guys like how it first looked when it came out the pack, and like, it, you know, the curls are separate, and then when I brush it, the curls start coming together like it would if I had real human hair. And I really like this. This hair is soft as hell. I'm not getting a lot of shedding with it. When I first took this wig out the pack, I was kind of looking at the color like, I don't know, because I seen reds and it looked very wiggish to me. You know, I don't like that. Like, I like for my hairs to look real. If it's if my hair, doesn't matter, human, Brazilian, Peruvian, synthetic, I just want the hair to look as natural as possible. Like, I don't want the hair to look like, oh, you have on a synthetic wig or whatever. I just want the hair to look like, oh, your hair looks good, it looks bomb. And that's definitely the vibes I'm getting with this wig, especially after I put it on. Like, I don't really want to mess with my hairstyle because this is giving me like Hollywood wave vibes, but like, you could really part it anywhere. Like, look at that. You could really part it anywhere and you could wear it anywhere. I'm sure you could probably do like some braids and do it. Like, you could really get, this wig is just so versatile. Look at that parting. I just parted it with my finger. I love that. And it's even flat when I do it like that. Like, I love the fact that that just looks super duper cool, that I could part it anywhere. Like, I love that. This wig originally is $79.95. Now, I could understand why they priced it at that price point because this wig is bomb. Like, it's really top of the tier wigs. The lace is soft. The parting is bomb. 4x4 free lace parting, lit. Like, and it's on, but on the Divas website, it's on sale for $59.95. That's still very high in my price point. I have paid $60 for a synthetic lace wig, but I don't like to. But I feel like you're getting $20 off, so that's perfect, especially when the wig is $80. If you try to buy this in a beauty supply store, they're definitely going to try to charge you $80 or $70. So I feel like $60 is a really good price for this wig. and like it's really worth it. That's what I have to say. I really just don't have any cons. Like I'm really not getting that much shedding. I would say that this wig is about 18 inches. You see it's coming like right by my boob. Maybe 17, 18 inches. I know they don't measure hair 8, 17, 15, like those odd numbers, but I would say it's about, yeah, 18. In conclusion about this wig, I definitely feel like out of the 3 wig reviews that I've done for Divas, this wig is the most poppin' that I picked. Now they have tons and tons of wigs on their website, so God knows what gems they have in there, but out of the 3 that I picked, this one definitely takes the cake. This wig, it just has everything that I like. The soft lace, the free parting, the color is bomb. You guys know I love color. Like I'm totally into color now. No shedding. The hair feels nice. I'm not getting tangling. With my red wig, there was tangling. With the brown wig, there was tangling. That wasn't like my favorite wig. That's more of an everyday wig. It's okay, but like I said, not my fave. Totally just for a I'm going to work, or I just don't really feel like being this girl today. So yeah, this wig just has everything that I like, and the fact that it comes in multiple colors, you could definitely get this wig in black, and this could be like your everyday wig, especially because you can part it in different ways. That's popping. Now I wonder how this hair is gonna look straight, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna straighten any wigs. I might straighten the red wig, just see how it looks, but you know, who knows if I'm gonna do that. But like I said, this wig, it just feels full. I'm just feeling it, and I hope you guys like this wig too. If you guys like these type of synthetic wig reviews, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends so that they could decide whether they like this wig or not, and if maybe they want to buy it. Maybe it'll look good on your friend. All the wig info will be listed down below in the description bar. I'll be listing Divas' website and where to get this wig. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time for my next wig review. Bye.